Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would show you how I organize and decorate my new desk. This is something that I've been needing for such a long time. I'm always editing on my couch or my bed. It's really bad for my back. So I'm so happy that I have a new desk to edit. So before I get into the decor, I just want to clean up and organize this area because after that desk was set up, I didn't clean up the stuff from the box and like all the plastic and stuff. So I'm just going to clean all that stuff up and dust and then get started on the decoration. I'm just moving my yoga mat out the way and spraying it with a Lysol spray instead of wiping it down with a Lysol wipe because we ran out. So I guess this will be good enough for now. I had to go in with my Swiffer because it was looking a little dusty in that area and I just want my new workspace to be nice and clean. Now I'm just clearing off the desk so I can wipe it down. I've been kind of working off the desk for the past couple of days, but I never got a chance to wipe it down, so I'm doing that now. Just want to give you guys some details about this desk. So it's from Fezibo. They sent me this really nice L-shaped desk that has a triple motor that allows you to smoothly raise the desk to the perfect position while you sit or stand. I really love this feature because I have scoliosis, so I always have to make sure my posture is on point. So I currently have it set up on the right, but you can always adjust it to fit your space and set it up on the left. And the particular desk that I got has a triple drawer that I decided not to add because I didn't need the extra drawers, but I love the fact that it's an option in the future. If I ever outgrow the space, I can add additional storage on top. So if you're interested in getting this desk, Fezibo is having a Black Friday sale, so now's the time to get it. And I also have a coupon code that will save you 5% off your purchase. It's finally time to decorate the desk. So I got most of this stuff from Amazon and HomeGoods, and I'll post my inspo picture right here. I found it on Pinterest. This is what made me want a black desk and kind of just helped me put all of this together. So I really wanted a nice minimal vibe for the desk. I hate too much clutter. I know, coming from me, that's crazy, but I don't like too much clutter. So I just got a leather desk mat so I can just put my laptop on there. I didn't really want to stand because I felt like I didn't need one. I only set up my laptop on the desk and I didn't add my iPad because my iPad case is pink and it just isn't going with the vibe. But if I'm going to be honest, I don't really use my iPad anyway. I think I might start digital planning on Notion with my iPad. I kind of gave up on my Notion, but I really need to get back into it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm obsessed with these tulips. They're absolutely beautiful. They're silk tulips from HomeGoods. It was such a great find. And also the Chanel book was such a great find from HomeGoods. I'm still so shocked to this day that I found it for so cheap. I think the Chanel book plus that tan book really just made everything look so good. I'm a little on the fence about the chair. I just feel like the color isn't working, but I came across a TikTok video the other day of this tan chair and I just feel like it would be perfect. What do you guys think? Should I buy the tan chair or keep the brown? Out of curiosity, I decided to try moving the desk up and down just to make sure nothing would fall. I was actually really impressed. Nothing tipped over, the books were fine, and even the picture frame didn't really move. So that's basically it. I'm super obsessed with my desk. To end off the video, I decided to clean up the media table behind me. I had to throw out the Amazon package, some flowers that I had down there that died, and I decided to organize my candles because I've been meaning to do that. And since I was already down here, I figured why not? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again to Fezibo for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!